Welcome. In this episode, we will be doing assembly SA202 of one of the front wheel hubs for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get assembling. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be creating, I believe, the left front wheel assembly. Is it left or right? I'm not too sure to get further down. I'm going to be doing left. Next one's going to be right, vice versa. So it's going to be one of the front wheel assemblies. So let's open up assembly and let's start assembling. So let's go view. Might do the 209 front wheels hub, because that doesn't really turn. Actually it does. It doesn't matter which part you do. There we go. Okay, let's go out. Let's go insert components, lock it in. So that was 209, so we got 210, 212. No, 211 on this one because that's in the other piece. 213. Whoop. Getting big. 216. 217. And 226. There we go. That's all we need. So, yeah, that one. Beautiful. Yeah, before we do, let's put the tire on this. That way, that's done. Let's see. Mate. Gonna be out in the inner circle there. The outer circle. Then it's gonna be this inner wall there. Should match the other wall there. There you go. Beautiful. Looking good. Okay. So now, this circle here will go that circle there. This piece, the edge there, will go to that edge there. Now, holes actually line up. That's good. Let me go. Actually, let me go out of there. View. Turn off the origins again. Beautiful. Now, let's now go back to mate. Let's go inner circle there to inner circle there, just to make sure that it's lined up. That is beautiful. Now, we want this face here to match that face there, but it's got to flip. We call it flip mate alignment. There we go. Beautiful. Now we want this outside circle there to inside circle there. Now, does it clash with anything? Ooh. Okay, let me just where's that last one? That one. Let me just delete that one. I just want to see something. Yes, delete. So that would probably be actually against there. Yeah. Okay. So that doesn't actually go against that place there. That actually goes against there. Okay, so let's do that again. Let's mate this face, that face there with that face there. That's better. That's better. Now this circle here will match that circle there. Bingo. Look at that. Lines up. It lines up. Yep, lines up perfectly. Okay, that's better. Okay. Just okay. Thank you. Just make sure it's all lined up. That's cool. So we move that around, everything's locked together. Beautiful. Okay, let's go back to this one here. This pin. Put these together first. Make sure nothing's highlighted. We go, this pin here will fit, oh, not there, will fit inside there. There we go. This cylinder there will go, this cylinder there. There we go, beautiful. Now, this hole here lines up with that hole there. So this hole with this hole. This cylinder, that cylinder. There we go. Beautiful. If they'd done that, but I believe there would be. So, it's this here lines up with this here. There you go. Beautifully done. Now, this edge here will be against that one there. Beautiful. Actually looks good. Okay, let me just okay out of that. Now we should still be able to turn the wheel. Nope. Ah, because oh, maybe that one. There we go. Look at that. Wheel turns on there. Yeah, you couldn't turn that because that's not turned, but this turns on there. Let's just see something. Let's go into front plane. Let's normalize it. Let's have a look inside here. Let's go to that one. Yep. There you go. See, the bolt goes through. That's why that's so far out. So bolt goes through there, which locks all that in. Then that bolts onto there, which bolts that on there. So there's a nut goes on there, which locks the wheel onto everything. Then this covers it up and takes all that in there. That's why I just wanted to check. That's looking good. So that's looking good. That's a front part done. All right, that's assembly of one of the front wheel assemblies done. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, click the like button, subscribe, comment. I do appreciate it. If you've got any suggestions, comments, or whatnot, leave below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.